Akazi mina ngiyongilalela nini mari at least ngitshelile uthi ukore intwana yami Mofokeng ukorile. I don't want to like nice football. Ngithanda le westala ngakhona, and I've been saying with the very same energy we have, we are going to go far. World Cup yethu lethani like grand lethani France, lethani Argentina, lethani kwa Spain ntwana Mofokeng ukhona ingawani. Shout out to Mukwana, shout out to Mukwana. I love that assist. That's amazing. That's the kind of vibe we want in our national team. That's amazing. That's good. That's amazing. I don't wanna lie, I love our style of play. As much as I still feel like ngathi ngabe score amagoal amanye amaningi. I didn't like the performance akapesita, but anyway, it's story for another day. I feel like coaching I've been keeping up my halftime lapho because he wasn't doing much for us. Really literally stole the show. But anyway, story for another day. That's fine as long as we have a win. I'm just happy, bro. And let's have a clip.